Hello, my name is R.A.SH from R.A.SH. Today I'm going to show our totally integrated system installed in the Dodge Grand Caravan or the Chrysler Voyager. So including the HVACs, mirrors, windows, and all functions into this car. This is our touchscreen system. Okay, this is our touchscreen, and this is our CAN-Bus module. This is the small, very small box that controls the whole function of the car using these two CAN wires going into the main harness. The push button start is not installed, so I'm going to turn on the engine with the car with the key. Okay, once we started, so the main functions which I'm going to show is, first we start with the mirrors. So on full CAN without any additional relays. So here we can select the windows, I'll show it later, and then we have the C's, then we have the mirrors, so I can select the driver side, then we have the up, down, left, right. All this is full CAN, no additional relays, nothing to be added. Now the same, if I press here to select the passenger side, so here I have the passenger side, then we have the up, down, left, and right. Okay, this is for the windows, for the mirrors. Now I'm going to show the for example the HVAC. So here I select the HVAC. This is our HVAC control panel, and here I can activate the speed. So it's a bit hard to see, but you can see that the HVAC is working. So I can here select the fan speed, up, and then the fan speed down, and then we have the airflow with an indication. So we don't have the indication on the touchscreen, but we can use the indication on the LED. So when I press, each button is pressed here, we can select the same apply for the AC. Now the AC is off. I can press this button here to AC on, so we can see that the indication is on and the clutch is on, and then I can select the temperature. It's not possible to see the temperature, but you can feel the cold. Then AC on with the AC off. And temperature. Not a single relay. You don't even remove the plastic. No need to go inside. You have full control of this HVAC, and we can do whatever we like with it. Now the same for the driver window. So we have the full HVAC here on the driver window. I can select the driver window, so we have the up, down, up, lock, unlock. Passenger